Okay, here we're all finished pressure washing our composite deck on a house here backed up into the woods here. So this had all kinds of leaves on this composite deck. There's just trees all over. So just right back here, back of a house, walkout, huge walkout. Actually has a tier up there as well. There's actually 3 decks in the back here. So we pressure washed all this composite, put our treatment on it. This is pressure washing composite deck, Daystar quality. You can find us on the websites godaystar.com and thedeckguy.com.